Okay.
How do you say food in your language?
Iyoriri. Iyoriri. Precious.
Okay, what language do you girls speak?
Ika Delta Igbo. Delta Igbo Ika. Ababo.
Is it Delta Igbo or Igbo?
Delta Igbo, that is Ika Ababo.
Okay, so are you girls good with your language or now just small?
Small.
Small. I don't know.
I'm good in my language.
You are good?
Yeah.
Who's senior for 12 now?
Nah, she.
And you are good?
Yeah.
She's not good?
No, she stays in Benin. I stay in my village for some.
Oh, okay. So do you know how to count 1, 2, 3 in your language?
Hey.
Yeah. So just to 5, just to
Can't
5.
get 10.
No.
What about you?
I don't know. No.
What about ABCD?
No. Jesus, we don't have ABCD in our own. I don't know whether we have ABCD in our own.
I say Igbo no get ABCD.
Okay.
How do you say food in your language?
Iyoriri. Iyoriri.
How do you say salt?
No.
Cross River.